Hello friends, in this video we are going to talking about Azure portal. First we have to sign in or create an account. As you can see, I have logged in with my account. If you like to create the account, you have to visit this link portal.azure.com. We'll provide the link in description. Once you do that, it will ask to enter certain details like first name, last name, mobile number, and also you have to fill credit card details, but they will not charge anything from your credit card. After that, Microsoft will give you $200 credit limit. This is valid for 1 month, so you have 1 month time to explore do all the things in Azure account. After sign in, you will get Microsoft Azure portal interface like this. So let's try to understand what this portal is offers. At the extreme left, you will find a list where various category of resources are present. All the domains are listed. In these domains, services are listed, and these are the most commonly used services. At the bottom, you can find the cost management plus billing. You can find billing and usage details for your account. On the left corner, you have create a resource. Using it, you can create resource. At the top, you can find search box. You can search any service from the quick search box at the top like this. At the right side, there is an icon for Cloud Shell. This is Cloud Shell. So Cloud Shell is the command prompt and it is used for managing Azure resources. Apart from Cloud Shell, this is notification panel. When you create any resource, you will get the notification what is happened, like resource is deployed or not. Here is settings where you can go and modify the settings. You can change the theme of dashboard. You can restore all the settings, delete certain settings. The question mark icon refers to help and support, where you can raise a support request to Azure. This one is feedback. You can submit your feedback. And this icon shows the user details. If you found this video useful, then like, share to your friends, and if you are new to this channel, I request you to please do subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I upload the next video.